Hello everyone, in this video we'll be going over how to install the Gentent frame. For this part of the process, you'll need your center connector and 4 frame rods. When installing your Gentent frame, make sure the pin on the top of your center connector is always facing up. It is marked on the top of the center connector as well for you to reference. Also, for orientation, make sure the long side of your center connector is parallel with the long side of your generator frame. When installing your frame rods into your center connector, ensure that the frame rods are properly seated all the way into your center connector. After inserting our first frame rod into the center connector and into the clamp, insert the second frame rod into the center connector diagonally from the first rod and into the clamp. We will then repeat the same process for the third and fourth frame rods. Make sure the frame rods are fully seated in the clamps. This will give you a strong and stable frame for your canopy.